A civil danger warning has been issued for the state of Ohio. This message is transmitted at the request of the Ohio State Police. Many 911 calls has been made about a game character from the Super Smash Bros. Series that is apparently slapping people in Cleveland. This character is highly dangerous and has not been identified yet. This message shall transmit for the state of Ohio. Stay tuned to your local area for more news about this situation. We interrupt your regular programming. This is a shelter-in-place warning message. The following message is transmitted by the author of the Ohio State Police and the Cleveland Police. Approximately 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, an investigation was successful, and the hand's name is called Crazy Hand. This character was from a fighting video game of a mad hand. This character kills his victims by making people stand still and then kills them by slapping them. This can cause automatic death. A shelter-in-place means to close and lock all doors immediately, and keep all pets and children in a safe place. You are requested to shelter in place at this time. The emergency alert system has been activated.
Oh my gosh, Paul. Crazy Hand is killing 23 people. No, 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 no. I hate that hand.
Me too. Julie, that stupid hand is so dumb. I could kill that hand. Wait a minute. There's another message of the emergency alert system. Let's see what's the message.
Following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Disregard if you're not in these locations: North Carolina, South Carolina, Ohio, Cleveland, New Jersey, New York, Manhattan. According to with the situation with the hand from the Super Smash Bros. Series, this hand knows how to slap people, put people on ice, and learn how to fist pump another hand. If you go near Crazy Hand, get away from his attacks. This is an emergency action notification message. All broadcast and cable shall transmit with this emergency action notification message. Remember sheltering in place. It is recommended to do the following instructions. Turn off all game consoles, as Crazy Hand can break your house and you will face certain death from his stabbing. If not, then lock the window and stay away from windows so that you cannot get seen by Crazy Hand. The emergency alert system has been activated.
Paul, I'm glad we're in our shelter. Oh no. Crazy Hand killed 43 people. I'm scared, Paul.
Me too, Julie. I'm glad we have a blanket. And we got our battery power radio. Another message from the emergency alert system. Let's follow the instructions.
The following message is transmitted of the request of the United States government. Crazy Hand killed 43 people. Make sure you got a battery power radio with you in your shelter. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cables shall transmit this emergency action notification. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Cleveland area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone should be used for emergencies only. The emergency alert system has been activated.
Look, Paul. The National Guard is defeating Crazy Hand. Yay. Wait a minute, Paul. I hear a screaming. Listen.
Julie, I think they killed Crazy Hand. Wait a minute. There's one last message from the emergency alert system. Let's find out what it is.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The National Guide has defeated Crazy Hand. It is now safe to come out of your shelter. The people thank you for being safe in your shelter. All regular programming may now be resumed. The emergency alert system has been activated.